Hello, this is Winning Minute with Dolores McKenzie. I just want to welcome you to my channel, and I hope that you will find some value in what I have to share. Today, my question to you is, are you covered? And I mean insured. When I say covered, I'm meaning being under the umbrella of some protection where your family's income is protected. So my goal today is to help you understand a little bit about the different types of insurance, whether you're owning or you're renting. What's the difference? I know that many of us have protection on our cell phones or homes or cars or appliances, but the most important protection you need to have is that on your income, because without the income, none of those other things you can really have. So why not first protect the most important asset you have, which is your ability to earn. So now it comes down to whether you own or you rent. Just like having a property, you can either own a property or rent a property. In renting a property, every month you pay, whether it's a lease or a rent, to the owner, the landlord, and at the end of it, when you decide to go, if you are there for 5 years, when you decide to go, all that money that you've invested in there, it was for your coverage, to cover you, to make sure you have somewhere to live. But you cannot take the house with you. It does not belong to you. You have to leave it behind, and the asset that you've been contributing to does not belong to you. It's the same way of renting insurance. It's a temporary type of insurance, and it can be over a specified number of years, whether it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 years. At the end of that period, you would have known that you had the peace of mind of coverage in case something happens to you, but you do not own anything. You do not have anything else to show after those times, and the time has expired on that temporary insurance. However, you have the option of having some permanent insurance. Permanent insurance is that which, just like if you own a property, you own that insurance, and you can own it for the rest of your life. You contribute into that plan, and of course, some of that money in some cases can go towards an investment. There are also permanent insurance that does not carry investment, and you can have to age 100. But I am specifically referring to insurances that can provide investment. There are two different types. There are the whole life, participating whole life insurance, and another one called the universal life insurance. You will need to sit with a financial planner to see if either one of those are best for you. It is all based on your situation, and your financial plan is no cookie cutter, so nothing fits everybody. So you have to do your due diligence and make sure you have a proper financial needs assessment done to determine which one is best for you and your family. Okay? So in investing in a permanent insurance, there are a few things you have to look for. You have to make sure that the investment and the program is structured properly so that you gain money, you don't lose money. Whole life insurance is exactly that. It's you have it for your whole life. That's what that means. And structured properly, you can have dividends paid into your plan for the rest of your life. There are much benefits also from that, where you can actually borrow money and pay it back. Instead of borrowing money from others, you're borrowing money from yourself and paying yourself back through your policy. The different type of universal life can be structured in a way to actually earn you money. However, earnings in a universal life is not guaranteed because it's dependent on the market rates. And you don't get dividends on that, you will get, based on the portfolio that is connected to your plan, you will get returns accordingly, but they are not guaranteed. Okay, so make sure that you're meeting with a financial planner and asking the right questions. I will also leave my link below. You can give me a call for a 15-minute consultation, and we will determine together if we're fit to work together. And I can also guide you on the right questions to ask, whether you want to use my services or not. Okay, so anyway, I hope this was of a little bit of value to you, and I appreciate your allowing me to share this information with you, and I look forward to hearing from you. And please feel free to share and like, and also to share it with your friends. If you find some value in what I'm saying, share it. I believe in sharing. If something's good, I share it. Have a blessed and prosperous day, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Ciao!